This one candle right here is the only thing that I'm looking for every single day. No indicators, no guessing, just this. And when it forms, it almost always does this. Look, the same setup again and again. At some point I thought this was fake, but it is actually not. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find this entry and how to execute the same way that I do every single day. Let's begin with the video. And even though this concept works on every single time frame, I prefer that you use this concept on the 5 or the 15-minute time frames. Those are also the time frames that I'm using with my premium ChrisFX block strategy. So let's go ahead and explain this very easy concept that will turn you profitable. As I said, you are gonna be using this strategy either on the 5 or the 15-minute time frames. And here, let's suppose that I am on the 5-minute and I see a move such as this one. Now, assuming that I am on the 5-minute time frame, what I want you to do is extremely simple. I want you to go ahead and always highlight the lowest fair value gap. So supposedly right here, we were moving like that. Okay, let's assume that we are in an overall uptrend and this is a retracement leg and we are currently right here. All I want you to do is go ahead and identify your most recent fair value gap. This is our most recent bearish fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit more transparent right here. Now, the next step that I want you to look out for is for this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap in this occasion, to be penetrated with a body of a candlestick from the other direction. So instead of going ahead and trying to enter short here, just wait for this fair value gap right here to be penetrated with a body of a candlestick. Of course, it's gonna be a bullish candlestick in this occasion. Then take the trade as you are instantly. Take your long position right here and place the stop loss below the low of this candlestick. Target at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Let's see how this would supposedly play out. This supposedly would have been your trade. Now, there is the opposite scenario as well. What would you be looking for in a bearish scenario? So for the bearish scenario, supposedly you do have a move such as this one, an upwards move. Now this could easily be the retracement leg of an overall down move. That's the best thing to do, to take it as a continuation of the overall trend. But I don't want to confuse you. What you will be doing in this occasion, only highlight the last bullish fair value gap in this occasion, and it is this fair value gap right here, this gap right here. Now, what are you gonna be doing here? You are gonna be waiting for this fair value gap to be penetrated with a body of a bearish candlestick in this occasion. And when this happens, what are you gonna do? You are gonna take your trade right here with a stop loss right above this candlestick, and you're gonna target at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk. And supposedly your trade was gonna play such as this one right here. You're gonna have a ton of wins by using this strategy, but I'm gonna show you real examples in the real chart. Now, these strategies, such as this one, which I'm gonna show you in the real chart, I am applying with my ChrisFX block strategy, for which, by the way, I'm giving access to all of you, whoever goes ahead and registers through OP for free for 1 full month, and you can find the link down in the description. And I'm applying those strategies on prop firms such as Hola Prime, which is a prop firm offering both futures and CFDs in very competitive prices, and they are also offering instant funding accounts for those of you who don't want to go through the process of passing evaluations. So if you're very confident in your abilities and you don't want to waste anytime, go ahead and choose the direct accounts, or if you don't mind, you can go through the evaluation processes, click on the first link down in the description, use code ChrisFX and join Hola Prime and purchase your account with Hola Prime in order to be able to apply those precious strategies that we are teaching right here, right now. And of course, don't forget to enter for free for 1 full month in my Discord. All the links down in the description. Let's continue with the real examples. Now, personally, I'm always targeting with this specific strategy at least a 3-to-1, and this is what we're gonna be doing right here, right now. And I'm also gonna be including losing examples in order to show you the reality of trading. Now, the latest, we are in an overall uptrend, as we can see right here. We are on the 15-minute time frame in this occasion. And the latest fair value gap in this occasion is this fair value gap right here. Let's see if we close with the body of a candlestick above it. Nothing yet, nothing yet, and nothing yet. So let's show exactly how you would be using this strategy. Now, this is a very important thing. If you try to use this strategy, as I will tell you right now, you will fail. You want to see the break of this, the breach, let's say, of this fair value gap in this occasion almost instantly. What do I mean by that? You don't want to first see some form of reaction and then the breach, the break with the body and then enter here. You wanna see that almost instantly. So in this occasion right here, you will not be doing anything. And I will go step by step with you and I will show you in which occasion I would be doing something. Right here, we see that we have another bearish fair value gap. It is this gap right here. Now, if this gets penetrated almost instantly, I will go ahead and take the long. Let's see if we have such thing. We proceed. This is almost perfect right here. Not quite. Okay. This is not perfect by any means, but this one theoretically you can go ahead and take. So this is exactly how this thing would look like in real life. Okay, I'm not showing you only the winning examples now. Stop loss below this candlestick right here, which is the very apparent candlestick that closed. This right here was very marginal. So stop loss right here and you go for at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk. I would go, as I said, at least for a 3-to-1 reward to risk with this strategy. Let's see how this plays out. And we are stopped out. Oh my goodness, the strategy doesn't work. No, it's not like that, guys. You will have losses. And because you asked for me to also show losses and to be completely transparent, I decided to make this video and show you exactly how this would be looking like in real life. Now I have another fair value gap that is being created right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, I closed with a body above it. I take the trade right here. Where do I place my stop loss? Below this candlestick. Okay, below the candlestick that broke above. Let's go ahead and target a 3-to-1 reward to risk, which is fixed. You are not moving your stop losses or take profits or anything like that, and we hit the take profit. 1 loss, 1 win. And the win, of course, is a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Very nice. Shall we show another beautiful example? Let's show it. Don't forget to go ahead and join for free the Discord 1 full month for free. Why would you be missing this opportunity, and why would you be missing to go to my link tree, for which I have the link down in the description. Either click right here where it says get funded with me, or whatever it says at the point where you click on it, and get access for free even in the Discord for 1 full month, or purchase any account with any of those prop firms. I'm gonna be adding one more extremely high quality prop firm the next week, so go ahead, use code ChrisFX after clicking on those links right here. They're gonna take you instantly to the prop firm if you click on those right here and use code ChrisFX. Let's proceed and show yet another example. And here we are on the very same move. If I go up here, we see some form of retracement, potential retracement. And if I go ahead and proceed, we see that we have indeed formed a bearish fair value gap exactly right here. Now, what do we wanna see? We wanna see this fair value gap being penetrated with a body of a bullish candlestick. Are we gonna have that? Let's see. Let's proceed, and here we are. We do have that. Let's go ahead and take our trade right here with a stop loss below this candlestick. Go ahead and target a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Your 3-to-1 reward to risk is here, and let the trade play out. Do not touch the trade. And you're gonna tell me, Chris, if I'm doing futures, and if the end of the day has arrived, I need to close the trade. That's why I'm trading Nasdaq both on CFDs and on futures. So with my CFDs account, I can go ahead and take the trade and leave it overnight or over the weekend, even with my Hola Prime account. Let's go ahead and see, and there you go, we have won this trade. Now, of course, trading is not as easy as people are presenting it to be on YouTube, and of course I'm one of the most transparent ones, and I can tell you clearly that this week I was up, but eventually I ended up being at break even, which is a fine result for me, of course. And from the next week we are gonna be doing the live sessions again. If you go right now in my WOP, for which you can find the link down in the description, you will be getting 1 month access for free, no strings attached. So take your 1 month free in my Discord and apply those fantastic strategies that I'm teaching you here, plus the best strategy in the whole world, which I have in my Discord, the ChrisFX block strategy, applied to the best prop firms that you can find on my Linktree. Hopefully you liked this video. If you liked it, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe, and support me through using code ChrisFX on your prop firm purchases. This is gonna do it for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.